Hi everyone, Edgy is back with a new review. Today, I'm going to take a look at the INIU Cougar P63-E1, a power bank that is probably the smallest 25,000 mAh battery pack, featuring 100 watts of power delivery. Let's unbox this thing, compare it to my old Baseus power bank, and talk about whether it's really worth picking up. Let's dive in. So here's the box. INIU keeps it pretty minimalistic. We have the product image on the front and some specs on the back. Inside the box, we have a really nice soft mesh case which can save your power bank from scratches. USB-C to C charging cable which should support 100 watt power delivery, some documentation, and the power bank itself. It comes in black, but there are also a few other colors like yellow, orange, red, and white. Now, let's do a direct size comparison. Here's the INIU next to my old Baseus power bank and my iPhone 13 Pro. You can see the INIU is probably 30% shorter than the Baseus and almost the same thickness and width. Compare it to the iPhone 13 Pro. It's about the same width, but it's obviously thicker and also shorter. For a closer comparison, I took my waist bag. Here's how the iPhone 13 Pro and the INIU look together in the bag. Still manageable with just enough room to spare. Even with 25,000 mAh, the INIU still fits quite comfortably in my waist bag. There's not much bulge, and I still have space for other essentials like my wallet. Now for a clearer side-by-side comparison, let's swap the INIU for my old power bank. As you can see, it's a bit bulkier, so it may occupy more space. Let's check the weight. The INIU Cougar P63-E1 weighs about 13.8 ounces according to my kitchen scale. My older Baseus Ambilight 65 watts weighs around 18.7 ounces. You can see there's a noticeable difference. The INIU is approximately 34% lighter, but it also has a smaller capacity at 25,000 mAh compared to 30,000 mAh. The INIU Cougar has 3 ports. USB-C input-output, 100 watts, for fast charging and recharging the power bank. USB-C output, 45 watts, and USB-A output, 18 watts, for charging multiple devices simultaneously. When used together, these 2 ports provide a combined total of 15 watts for simultaneous charging. Right now, you can see the maximum output available when multiple ports are used simultaneously. Indicator screen lets you check the remaining battery level at a glance. It supports quick charging protocols, which is great if you need to top off your phone or tablet quickly. For larger devices like laptops, make sure you check the wattage requirements. I tested it with my MacBook Pro and Steam Deck, and it still had enough power to charge a third device, in my case, a Garmin watch. This means you can comfortably work on your laptop while charging your phone, tablet, or portable console from this compact power bank. So there you have it, the INIU Cougar P63-E1, 25,000 mAh in what they're calling the smallest form factor on the market. We weighed it, compared its size to my old Baseus power bank and my iPhone 13 Pro, and tested how it fits in my waist bag. Some of the advantages include surprisingly compact for a 25,000 milliampere hours power bank, decent weight if you're carrying it around daily, multiple ports and a fast charging option, and possible downsides. It might still be too big for smaller pockets. 25,000 milliampere hours inevitably carries some heft. And check if it has enough wattage for your particular laptop or high-demand device. Overall, if you're looking for a high-capacity charger that won't weigh you down too much, the INIU Cougar P63-E1 is definitely worth a look. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Would you pick this up, or do you prefer something smaller with less capacity? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.